Baby Alive.
Kelsey, wake up, baby girl. Wake up. Aw. Good morning, guys. This is Kelsey's first morning routine, and she's just waking up. I just noticed she has another white spot on her cheek. I might have to get that off later. Hi, Kelsey. Did you sleep good? Aww. She was kind of fussy last night. I think her teeth are hurting, so hopefully she feels better today. Wake up, sweetheart. We're gonna get your clothes on for the day. She's wearing these cute little pajamas. Aren't they cute on her? Gotta check your diaper. See, such a big girl. Did you sleep good, baby girl? Take off her jammies. Check your diaper. I think her diaper's still dry, guys, so we can wait and change her diaper in a little bit, maybe after she eats. I have this pretty dress to put on her. Here you go, Kelsey. This will be pretty on you. Aww. I'm really loving her, guys. The baby's got new teeth dolls are really fun. There, she's all dressed. What do you guys think of her dress? Doesn't it look pretty on her? But I bet she's hungry. Let's give her something to eat. Here, you lay right here with your little blankie. She loves her blankie, guys. I have her little bowl. I have a Baby Alive spoon. I have this box of Baby Alive food, and not all of this food came in here. I just use it to store the food in. So let's see. Do you think she would like pears for breakfast? Let's make her some pears. I got some water, and now we're going to open her little pear packet. Pour it in. Add some water. Stir it around. They're starting to look really good. Now I have her bottle. Pour in some water. Put the lid back on. Her breakfast is all ready. I'm going to lay a blanket down for her. And we'll put Kelsey right here. Here's a little bib for her. Sit up, sweetheart. Gotta put your bib on. Now she's ready for her breakfast. Her food is perfect. You want a bite? Oop, it's running out of her mouth. Get a wipe. Don't make a mess. I think I'll give her a drink. There you go, baby girl. Want some water? She likes that. Nom nom. Is that good? She's eating really good. Want another bite? Here you go, sweetheart. She loves these pears. I think it's time for another drink. Yum. Let's wash it down. She's eating good. She loves this. You're a good eater, baby girl. More? Give her a little drink. Almost gone. One more bite. Here you go. Look, guys, she ate all of her food. Isn't she a good girl? Okay, let's give her some drinks to wash it all down good. She drank most of her bottle. Let's wipe off her little face. You did so good, baby girl. Gotta get all that food off. Let's take off your bib. Oh no, guys. Oh, look. She leaked her diaper everywhere. Kelsey. We'll have to change her clothes again. She was a mess. You're a messy girl. Get you all cleaned up. Oh, that's better. Here's a clean dress to put on her. This will look pretty too. Maybe she won't go poop on this one. There we go. Turn you over this way. Oh, I think she looks even prettier in this one. What do you guys think? Well, if you liked Kelsey's poop explosion, then please give her a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Say bye.